What is going on, guys? So I want to do a closer look, a walkthrough of this Inno box once it is installed in the vehicle. Again, I have a Mark 7 Golf R, and this is how it looks from the side profile view. It might be a little bit windy today, so apologies for that. It overextends to the windshield a little bit, but you won't be able to see it when you're driving, so that's not going to be distracting at all. Now for reference, I'm going to go ahead and just hop on in and give you a look. Alright, so here it is, forward, and then when you're driving, you don't see anything. Alright, so that's a good positioning, starting off pretty good. Alright, it mounts on with 4 locking brackets with these clamps, the pinchers on the bottom. Works with any type of crossbars, or almost any type. Don't quote me. Do your research before purchasing it. But for us, it works with this. It works with the Thule, Yakima, the ones that fit with the R anyway. And it works with my dad's OMAC system, the OMAC from OMAC USA. It works with those. So it works pretty much universally. It comes with the locking or memory locking the feature where you set it and forget it basically. And here it is in the back. The design is very nice. It has ridges on the bottom, or it's designed to disperse air, reduce drag. That's what I mean. On the back, it's a little bit elevated. It's 11 cubic feet. It's a little bit more space towards the end, so you can fit a little bit more higher. I'm gonna complete the walk around. It's we're completely in direct sunlight, so it might be crazy overexposed. So here it is on the front. It hangs due to the bar, the design of the bar, it's elevated. So I am able to install it with these nylon strings, mount it on the vehicle without taking them out. Hopefully in conjunction with that, it completely eliminates wind noise. I can't be certain. I guess my next video will be driving it and reporting back whether or not there is wind noise. Chrome around. You could open the box with 2 on each side, like I stated previously in my other video. A decal in the back, and more chrome on here, and then again a little smudge again on here. You could open it. Basically, it's a push handle, so you put your key here. All right, so turn the key counterclockwise, push the button, and releases the locking hinge here, and basically you just push up. Alright, so it's supposed to lock right there, so I'll show you. So it locks right there, and it locks over here. I'm not sure if it locked completely. Yep, locked completely. Here it is inside of the box. 11 cubic feet, like I said, not the most biggest box, but it is definitely one of the most nicer looking and sleekest boxes out there in terms of cargo boxes. Comes in gloss black and white. It doesn't come in red, excuse me, for my previous video where I said it might come in red. I think that's a different design. The wind is coming, so it's a little bit windy today, so I guess the wind could demonstrate how sturdy the 2 side handles are with the slight wind. It's not crazy wind, so with the slight breeze, it's gonna go ahead and stay up top. 2 locking brackets here. 1, 2, and 3 on each side, so 6 locking brackets. So the hinges will go ahead and come down and basically lock onto these brackets here. And then in order for you to remove the key, it's not going to remove unless each point is locked in. Alright, so I'm going to demonstrate closing it, I guess. But actually, let me do one last walk around of the interior and give you guys a closer look. So in order for you to lock everything and secure everything in place, you got your bracket here, your pinchers here. Right, this is the ideal way for you to lock it or mount it. Basically, the crossbar should fit right in the middle, fit snug and not lopsided like this one. And it opens up like so, and then locks in like so. And this gray tab here turns clockwise to make the positioning more of a tighter grip. And you can turn it counterclockwise like so, this part. then it loosens the grip for you to have if you have a wider crossbar and whatnot, depending on your vehicle. Manual, the sticker, stuck it back in here. You got 4 brackets here. This is the railing that it's on. So this system right here, it's nice and snug. It fits right directly in over this like mono railing system here. ABS reinforced plastic here. I thought about having a liner to dampen it. I believe Inno sells a completely separate part, or in addition to it, to prevent any type of I don't know dirt when you're putting in, I don't know, boots, ski racks, etc. So for us, the whole purpose for us is not really for skiing or snowboarding. It's just for additional storage for the girls, diaper bags, groceries, whatever that can't fit in the hatchback. Now that is being occupied by twin stroller. But I think that's about it, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and close it like this. And basically you just pull it. This doesn't come up. It's basically just like a stick-on piece to help assist with pushing up and pulling down. And then once it's closed, you see, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and pop it open again. All right, push it up, and then somehow demonstrate how you can, well, I mean, it's pretty easy. You get my point. If it doesn't click on, your key can't come out. So it's just a really nice security feature that they have. All right, walking around the back. I think that's all there's to say about the box. Front of the vehicle, it's like it's very nicely designed. I think it's very sleek, as I mentioned, and also kind of like a missile, right? Again, it's elevated, so I really don't know if it's going to create wind noise or not. But the good thing about this system is the fact that it keeps, I'm push it up again. All right. Oh. All right. So that's good. So the fact that this overlaps this part right here means that no water is going to come in and out. So this, the top part of the box, covers completely this ledge right here. So nothing's going to be seeping in water during windy season. It's not going to come and, you know, go in the box. And also the weather stripping here is tight enough for you to keep like what I don't know, dust, pollen, and critters from coming in. And it's better than nothing. And overall, I really like the design of this set it and forget it type of thing. So you could unmount the box, put it back in your garage or whatnot, and then for next time using it, basically just haul it on. You could technically, if you're a stronger person, taller person, you could basically do this on your own. I definitely needed help, so 2 people mount it on, and basically all you need is help to mount it on, and after that you just lock in or slap on these locking brackets on each 4 corners. Go ahead and just put this back in like this. This is the tethering strap, if I forgot to mention. They give you 2 of these. It locks on with it has a buckle system right here. Basically you can lock it onto one here and then the opposite side and tie down whatever cargo you have, like skis, snowboards, and whatnot. Okay. And okay, so this is the Inno Wedge 660, the product number. This is the sticker that is on the outside. What I did was after I removed it, I didn't want to dump it, so I just slapped it on inside. Memory mount, 11 cubic feet, and this is about 6 feet long, this cargo box, about 33 inches wide, so a little bit more than 6 feet long actually. So 42 pounds in general for the whole box itself. I am going to close the box. All right, I can't demonstrate it because you hear the click. After you hear the click, you take out the keys easily. But if you don't hear a click and you're wondering why your key is locked in here, it's because one of the 3 brackets have not been clicked in as of yet. Now, again, I think that's about it. Each of the pinching system is good. I'm moving it pretty with a lot of force, and it's not moving anywhere. And just for reference for the golf owners, I'm gonna pop open the hatch, and it opens just enough for the spoiler to not touch the roof box. I think if you don't have an aftermarket spoiler, you could definitely move it a little bit further back, about maybe an inch or 2 inches. That way it might be more proportional, can't be certain, and that way this will be an inch or 2 further back. But overall, it doesn't affect or impede the driving or your vision. It doesn't block the windshield. You can definitely see if you lean forward and look up. Other than that, you should be good. I can't really talk about the driving aspects of it or the wind noise aspect of it until I do a driving video, which I will definitely try to do in the future. But any other questions, please leave them in the comment down below. If you like the video, subscribe. If you like the video, like. It'll definitely help me and my family out a lot. And here it is, the black with the lapis blue with all the black accent, etc. I'm very happy with it so far. Installation wise, storage, can't comment on that, probably next video. And then just the look itself, it's so nice. All right, and for now I will talk to you guys later. See you guys in the next video. Take care.